Go.
Run. Sissy. Where are we running to? Madison, wait. He's like, why are we doing this again? Look at that big head. What are you doing, Sissy?
He's winded. I got short legs. They don't move as fast as yours.
Like, let's go this way.
Run back. Go.
Hey, where are you going? Sissy. Ooh. What are you doing? That's so unfair.
Now you gotta sit and wait on him. He's mad because you left him. Go help him out.
Go love on him. Give him a hug. Say, good job, Bubba. Tell him, good job, Bubba. I did it. I did it. To hear you.